Maximilian Damasco, 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 Maximilian Damasco.
Like in there, I murdered the buggers to save humanity. Fuck Bill O'Reilly and Sean Hannity. I'm just a kid from the gutter getting his butter from you motherfuckers. Of course you bloodsuckers want me to be a cutter. And now look, I'm fucking your mother without a rubber. Of course mothers are great lovers. You love her and hug her and nutter her butter under the covers until she shudders. Hover above her, runner her blubber, rub-a-dub-dubber on her flubber, getting muddier and flutter until she shudders. I'm Tiger Yeeta, her great Mohawk warrior chieftain. Nazi lives I cheapen. I'm Johnny motherfucking Masters, and I'm scrappier, I'm nappier. I dress more dapper and I'm flashier. I'm battered and tattered, a proud perilous bastard, a jagged bastard, a haggard masters. I be more powerful than the Green Bay Packers. What's it fucking matter? You just fucking jealous because I'm more blacker and more cracker. I murdered God with a dagger. I'm a iconoclaster, and I'm gonna rat-a-tat-tatter. A goddamn tattle-telling fucking snitch ratter. Fuck the fake, the cheap, the faded and overweight Derek Bonds. That fat-ass, lazy, dumb fuck, dump truck. Hunkle ruck up chuck butt fuck. Loves his cake just like his fat-ass bitch mom's Derek Bonds. You fat-ass bitch, lazy, dumb fuck, dump truck, Uncle Ruck. Bubba buck, dumb fucked up chuck butt fuck. You gon' get fucked up, punched in the gut, shut the fuck up. Shit's breezy, murdering to me is like whisking pancake batter. I'm a mad motherfucking hatter, a field negro, a gap blaster, a people's hero. Organizing the lumpen proletariat, outcasters, tire slashers, ordered scattered, blood splattered, a nuclear disaster, a KKK slapper. I'm bringing disaster to all the corporate ladders. The 2014 chapter is gonna be a white trasher, rapture. The rappers are gonna capture the government, all the corporate backers. We fascist attackers driving what's right, 110% oligarchy malarkey with bluegrass tractors. We Nazi smackers, white supremacist slashers, international banker hackers. I'm badder and radder and faster and forever I'll outlast ya. Fuck your chatter, fuck your blather, fuck the NSA trackers. I make Eminem sound feminine while eating on my cinnamon toast. Like Beetlejuice, I'm the ghost with the most. Greg Giraldo, I roast, I boast, I coast. What you see is what you get. I did a bid for a spliff. Give me them tits, suck my dick, lick her clit, flick your bick. Your creepy fucking fantasies are fucking sick of transvestite. It's a chick with a dick, I'll take you to task, kid. I'll put you in a casket. I'm JD Masters, I'm a cracker who's blacker. A master pastor bringing down a rapture, exposing hierarchy and hypocrisy like Ted the bitch Haggard. Oh my god, you fucking homophobes are the real fucking faggots. I'm murdering liars and tyrants with the outcasters I gather. Murder, 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 kill, kill, kill. Louisville, I'm gonna go steal a meal and go kill, kill, be fucking real. Fuck your bills, get your thrills and chills in Louisville. Let's smoke Hernando de Soto. We should have broke this white bloke and choked his fucking throat. Let's go all Waco and loco and go with the flows. Take off your fucking clothes. I want my Zozo and the rose I chose is Coco. I want a low blow like Tonto in a poncho, so you better go all slow-mo in a rowboat. COINTELPRO, Guantanamo, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Henry David Thoreau, Paco, Taco, Castro, Paulo Romero. Swagganiga don't overdose, erode and explode. Throw a bottle, hit the throttle. My motto is Golpe de Estado, in vitro, overthrow the metro. YOLO, en fuego, en todos, bravado, mulatto, muchacho. Maximilian Damasco, Maximilian Damasco, Maximilian Damasco.